If you plan to buy a home in 2025, you might be in for a surprise. Your borrowing power has likely dropped significantly since 2020. Let me break it down for you so you know what's happening. I'm Cameron, a senior mortgage broker at Home Loan Experts. Just a few years ago, banks were approving much larger loans. In 2020, if you owned $100,000, you could afford to borrow around $735,000. Fast forward to 2025, and that same income might only get you $500,000 in borrowing power. That's a drop of $235,000, and it's making home ownership much harder. We ran some calculations on how borrowing power has changed. Across 20 lenders, borrowing power has dropped by more than $153,000, or approximately 23%. That means that buyers today qualify for much smaller loans, even if they're earning the same income that they did in 2020. So if you thought that you could afford the home you want, you might need to rethink your budget. So why is this happening? The main reason is interest rates. Back in 2020, interest rates were at record lows, which meant that banks could approve much larger loans than they can today. Fast forward to 2025, and interest rates are roughly 3 times what they were during the pandemic. That means higher repayments on loans, meaning that lenders have to be more cautious now. Additionally, lenders now apply stricter serviceability tests, making sure that you can afford your repayments even if rates continue to rise further. So what can you do if you're planning on buying a home? Some lenders still allow more flexible servicing policy than others, so where you apply does matter. Additionally, having a good financial plan in place can help you maximize your borrowing power. If you want to check how much you can borrow today, drop a comment below or send me a message. I'll send you a free borrowing calculator. Don't let these changes catch you off guard. Let's make sure you're ready.